Nyob, hello.
Nyob, hello.
Gulumbe huwa gong. My name is Gong.
Nyob gong. Hello, gong.
Golumbe huwa ya. What is your name?
Kooj Ntoo. My name is Dong.
Zhongxia ji Dong. Nice to meet you, Dong.
Kooj Ntoo Zhongxia bao qua nơ gong. Me too. Nice to know you, gong.
Go nhia wa da chi su. What do you like to do?
Cú nhẹ nhìn đỡ, thia sai yin ya kia. I like to read and watch movies.
Gu nhia nhìn đỡ thia. I like to read too. I like reading too.
Rong ma, e có nhẹ no da chi. Good. So what do you like to eat?
Gu nhia no cây ki. Con ấy. I like to eat fried eggs. And you?
Rong cơ, cú nhẹ no mò thia rau. Good. I like to eat rice and greens, vegetables.
Rong ma. Go nhia go da chi. Good. What color do you like?
Cú nhẹ có đa li cú lú cho. I like yellow. Yellow like my shirt.
Wow, gu nhia go da thia. Wow, I like the color yellow too.
Wow, only nhẹ có đa. Wow, we both like the color yellow.
Rong xia hing wa gu tao nda ko tha nu no. I'm really happy to have talked with you today.
But cho nơ gong. Cú lo tí dạ thia. Thank you, gong. Same for me too.
Shinji duo, Dong. See you again, Dong.
Nhớ rong con nơ gong. Okay, farewell, gong.